$100,000 a week. Week 91 Review. Infrastructure Deal. Today, I will review Week 91 result and discuss plan for Week 92. At the end of the Week 91, I own 555.4 Apple and 100.2 Microsoft shares. My total gain is $26,849.15. Consumer Price Index due for release on Wednesday is expected to show that elevated inflation continued into October. Consensus economists expects that the CPI rose 5.8% in October over last year, accelerating from September. On Monday, US is set to pare back travel restriction on international visitors who show proof of vaccination. It will lift a weight on a number of companies within a airline and lodging industries. $1.2 billion infrastructure bill is passed by House and expected to be signed by the President. Long-awaited stimulus will help rebuild crumbling infrastructure. This week, I will continue to invest $200 per day. Let's see how the market moves this week. Please subscribe and like this video. I will see you on the next episode.